Hello everyone, this is Lifestyler here, and today I am going to tell you about my ride with the Dominar group. On 20th August 2017, we went on a ride to Malshej Ghat with around 20 Dominars with us, and it was real fun, and the event was really well organized by Mr. Yogi. About the ride experience, guys, it was raining heavily throughout the ride, but we still managed to enjoy the ride, and it was really a nice experience to ride throughout the rain. Especially that waterfalls in Malshej Ghat were really good, and we really enjoyed it. All the Dominar owners are really enjoyed this event, and thank you Bajaj for organizing such kind of event, taking inspiration from KTM or anywhere else, I don't know, but it was really a good experience to rolling out with all the Dominar owners. Yeah guys, it was really raining very heavily, and finally we reached at this hotel to have our breakfast, and it was really a good experience to talking with all the Dominar owners, and they were sharing their experience, I was sharing my experience with all of them, and it was really a good feeling, really a good group. And then finally here it comes, the introduction round.
So I have done one ride with them, and now this is my second ride. I have been riding with them.
Okay, now it's time to head towards Malshej Ghat.
ओके, तो खाना खा के हो गया यहाँ पे, और यहाँ पे पूरा गाड़ी का लाइनअप. Let's give you a lineup, guys. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 बाइक्स है.
Now this waterfall, guys, look at this waterfall. It is falling on all the riders and all the vehicles. Actually, it's on the highway. So yeah, it is very scary, but at the time it was real fun. So okay guys, after lots of chit chat and everything, we finally going back to our home. Everyone was real happy and I am looking forward to join this group every time, every now and then. Let's hope for the good, guys. Thank you for watching this video. Keep supporting, keep subscribing, guys. Bye bye.